Hey guys, this is Matt from Creative, and wow, this took a very long time, but finally we have it here. This is the Ripple Crush. This is the pineapple aroma with coconut and lime. I always love the packaging that they have here. They've made it more minimal, but we will be talking about that at another time, but look at that. I just love this new limited edition Crush, the little pineapple here. That's cool. We have the pods here, so we're going to be trying these out in the new pod system. I have mine here. I'm taking out what I think is mango. I think that's happy. And oh, by the way, if you want to pause and read everything back here, you definitely can. We will be using the device in the video here. I found that even when I cut out the actual use of the device, YouTube still sometimes limits this device, a non-nicotine device, and it still limits it, so whatever. We're gonna try it the normal way here. All right, so we're gonna open this up. That was the plastic thing that just kind of shot out there because, okay, we have this. Whoa, it smells so fruity, like a cocktail, like a fruit cocktail. All right, we have it in here. By the way, remember, we put this in here, it vibrates, that's it. All right, so we have that. All right, let's give this a try. Oh, that's interesting. The first thing I get is the fruit flavor. Call it pineapple. I call it fruit, kind of a generic fruit. But what's interesting is I can taste that coconut, and it's almost at the very beginning like a toasted coconut. Wow. Okay, so at the very beginning, this is one of these flavors that does not have that kind of cooling mint sensation. It is purely a fruit flavor, and it's very close to the one I was using before, Happy, which is more of that mango without the mint flavors that the other ones do. If you like that, that's great, but this is one of the ones that doesn't have it, and it's I was about to say refreshing. It's not refreshing. It's a robust fruit flavor that's just like heavy on the fruit, but in a different way than the mango. Let's try again. Yeah, it's like one of the syrupy flavors, and again, I feel more of that coconut tinge more than the specifics of a pineapple, and that is pretty unique. I want to see what we have here. Can I see this? We know the directions, we know what's in here. All right, I want to see what else we have. Okay, what are the other ones? It's pineapple aroma, coconut, and lime. Lime, I would have thought would have more of kind of the citrusy, uplifting things, but this is more of like a chill, very chill fruit flavor. And you may think, okay, that's a good summer flavor. We're going into fall and winter here, at least in New York. Do I really want that? But you know what? I have one of my favorite flavors, the loser flavor. That limited edition one is my favorite, and that's my favorite fall flavor, period, forever. But don't you ever think that, you know, you have a cold day, maybe it's raining outside, maybe it's freezing cold outside, and you're like, I really wish that I had a hit of summer. And then you have this. It's kind of like when I used to drink, having a Corona with lime during winter used to bring me back to the sensation of summer. Summer is, I think, my favorite season in general because you can be outside. It's very free. It's a beautiful time just to be out. And it's a very fruit tinged kind of season because you're having maybe fruity drinks, alcoholic or non-alcoholic, but here this kind of can pull you back in because right now it is cool outside. What is it? It's like 63 degrees here. I know that says 70, but it's usually 10 below that. It's cool outside. There's a nice breeze coming in, but I'm reminded by this nice heavy hit of fruit flavor, and it's just like, oh wow, it's bringing me back to summer. All right, don't forget, you inhale this way, or you can flip it around, and we're gonna exhale through it. And wow, that's even creamier. Oh, you know what? This is kind of weird. All right, toasted coconut. I have a lot of that in chocolates. Chocolates, I have a lot of that during the Christmas season. Whenever you blow through the device here, it usually has a more rich and even more than inhaling it, much more creamy version of the scent. And for a moment, I was kind of like, it smells like the holidays in terms of a chocolate with toasted coconut. Maybe that has like some kind of fruit filling. Wow, that really does smell like toasted coconut more than anything. For a second, I was like, is it burning the coil in this? No, it's like a more toasted coconut than anything. Yeah, because that's regular. Oh, you can hear the vapor in my throat as I try to talk through it. I've always had that problem in videos when you exhale with it and try to talk before it's fully out of like your throat and your lungs. I like this. You know, I'm ready for fall and winter here. I'm like on board with that. But with this, it's giving me hope that it's like there's gonna be warmer situations that I can kind of like be around. And it's great that I have this. Anyway, guys, this has been Crush from Ripple. Beautiful packaging. Again, perfect for summer, and I think it's going to be perfect for fall and winter when you want those memories. But this has been great. Thank you so much. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, put in the comments section below. Don't forget, I'm on Instagram and Threads at M8B9. You can email me at creativenyc2024@gmail.com. So far, the flavors that they are coming out with are just new takes and variations. Like I said, the mango one that I have is very similar to this, but that kind of coconut vibe gives it more of, this is like a fruit flavored one. This is almost like a fruit drink flavored one. And do they have any kind of imaging with, what does it say on here? Sweet to the core. This is kind of like my idea of some kind of like pineapple margarita with like maybe some coconut flakes on top. Very syrupy, very heavy. I'm happy with it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.